Motherhood has always been filled with joy and challenges, but with the rise of AI in baby care, a new era is beginning. From monitoring your baby's health to helping with daily routines, AI is transforming parenting as we know it. In today's video, we'll dive into how AI is shaping the future of motherhood, its benefits, and potential concerns. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tech insights and innovations. AI baby monitors go beyond video and sound. They analyze your baby's sleep patterns, breathing, and movements. Nanit Pro provides personalized sleep tips, while Tsubwa AI monitors baby safety by detecting face coverings or rolling over. Real-time alerts and data-driven insights give parents peace of mind. AI-driven cribs like the Snoo Smart Sleeper respond to your baby's cries with gentle rocking and soothing white noise. These sleep assistants help babies settle faster and let parents catch up on rest. Some models sync with apps to provide detailed sleep reports. AI-enabled devices like formula prep machines ensure bottles are mixed to the perfect temperature and consistency. Baby Brezza Formula Pro advanced and AI feeding apps that track feeding schedules and preferences make feeding more convenient and efficient for busy parents. AI toys engage and educate babies with personalized activities, promoting cognitive development. Moxie by Embodied interacts with children, teaching them emotional skills and encouraging creativity. These toys adapt to your child's learning pace and interests. Wearable health monitors like the Owlet Smart Sock track your baby's heart rate, oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. Real-time data alerts parents to potential concerns, ensuring baby safety. AI is redefining motherhood by offering tools that simplify daily routines, enhance safety, and provide valuable insights into your baby's health and development. While these technologies are incredible, they're best used as supplements to traditional parenting, not replacements. What do you think about AI's role in baby care? Are you excited or skeptical? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on parenting and tech. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.